start, sir?
Please, madam, please.
Yes. बोला सर, माझा दिसत नाही का कॅमेरा? हा? Yes, sir. Sorry, there is some technical issue with me. Good afternoon and welcome you all in today's session on AI in assessment and evaluation. Dearest participant, respected convener of FDP, Dr. Rahul Mazre, sir, our esteemed director, Dr. S.P. Savan, sir, and today's eminent resource person, Dr. Govind Shinde, sir. I'm Dr. Shabnam Mani from Bharati Vidyapeeth, Deemd University, Abhijit Kadam Institute of Management and Social Sciences, Solapur. It is indeed my honor and privilege to welcome Dr. Shinde sir, a distinguished academician, researcher, as our resource person for this workshop. Dr. Shinde sir holds an MBA in costing and taxation, MBA in marketing, and PhD in management science. With a remarkable career spanning of 27 years, he has contributed extensively to the field of finance, marketing, banking, international business, and management studies. He has served in a prestigious positions including director, professor, and NAC head at leading management institutes under the University of Mumbai and other reputed universities. His academic leadership is reflected in his successful handling of NAT and NBA accreditation process, curriculum development, research supervision, and institutional growth. He has guided several PhD scholars, evaluated more than 25 doctoral theses, and published widely in Scopus, ABDC, and UGC care listed journals. His scholarly contribution includes 13 authored books, 5 granted patents in an area such as AI, e-commerce, and digital banking, and numerous impactful research papers and book chapters. Dr. Shinde sir has recognized with several prestigious honors, including the Lifetime Achievement Awards in 2020, Best Academician of the Year in 2022, and Excellence in Academic Award from the Bharati Vidyapeeth in 2010. He has also been invited as a resource person, session chair, keynote speaker at various national and international platforms, including Symbiosis International University, D.Y. Patel University, and Masha University, Malaysia, with such an outstanding blend of scholarship, research, and leadership. We are privileged to have Dr. Govind Shinde sir with us for today's session of DLFDP. Once again, we extend a very warm welcome to you, sir. Now, I kindly request you to share your valuable guidance with us. Over to you, sir.
Okay, can I hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, Shabnam madam, for a brief introduction about me. And again, thank you very much, Savan sir, for providing such a wonderful opportunity to interact with the intellectual peoples and researchers, those who are really doing some hard work to improve the AI kind of things and implement in assessment and evaluation, as well as other parts of the academics. So should I start my presentation, sir?
Sir, please. Sir, please.
Okay. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Please wait. Once again, thank you to for providing me such a wonderful opportunity to talk on AI in assessment and evaluation in higher education. So this is somewhere we can consider as a critical area which we generally see in any kind of higher education where we see the assessment kind of thing which is considered as one of the difficult tasks as far as the faculties and evaluators are concerned. So what exactly is going to happen when if the AI is considered to implement in assessment and evaluation? Definitely, it will change the scenario. It will transform everything, and it will give the exact result, and which will help us to you can say evaluate the student performance properly. So this is somewhere the interface of AI in education. I don't want to go into the definition of AI and assessment and evaluation because I think the participants are from the academics and they know it very well. Okay, what exactly is the AI as far as assessment and evaluation is concerned? This we can consider as a revolutionary kind of thing in academics, and which will definitely help us to improve the higher education system. And this AI generally offers opportunities, and these opportunities will be definitely help us to have the efficient kind of assessment in students' performance, and definitely it will be effective. And this again, the one of the wonderful area I would.
Sir, the slides are not moving.
Okay, I am not moving the slide. Can you see the brief overview slide?
No, sir, it's in the title slide only, the first slide.
First slide.
Sir,
Okay.
your first slide is visible to us.
Okay. I have shared it, isn't it?
Okay, now
Now it's
second
showing.
slide. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Second slide
Is
also
it visible?
Yes, sir.
Is it visible now?
Yes, sir. It is visible now.
Okay. So this we can consider in three categories like efficient, effective, and personalized. As far as efficient is concerned, you can say whatever grading and other tasks are concerned related to the assessment and evaluation can be automatically done by AI, and it will take very little time to complete the assessment. Further, it is effective by and which provides deeper kind of you can say the help to get the assessment and evaluation done of the students' performance. And it is again considered as a personalized tool, so that you can use it like you can make it as a tailored for, kind of tool for assessment and experience to of individual student needs and learning spaces. Can you see the next slide now?
No, sir, it's
Uh,
still in brief overview.
okay. What has happened?
Yes,
Yes,
showing, sir,
now
it's
it's
black.
Yes, sir. Now it's visible, sir.
Is it visible? Okay.
Latency issue.
Now you can see the learning objectives.
yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So I have included so many things in this, like challenges we will face and the benefits of the objectives, benefits of the AI, use of AI in assessment and evaluation, as well as the challenges we will face and the tools which can be used for the assessment and evaluation in academics as well as in higher education. So these are the basic learning objectives you will find at the end of the session, like the fundamental role of AI in modern assessment. Definitely, the assessment maybe in future we will see somewhere each and every institute may implement AI in their assessment and evaluation. Whereas the key benefit this AI offers to educators and institutions, we will find at the end of this session. Further, it helps to have a diverse kind of applications which can be used for this assessment and evaluation process by the institutions. As I said, that there are challenges. Each and everything has its own challenges. So even AI has its own challenges. Again, ethically, I don't think it is okay to implement for assessment and evaluation purpose any kind of tool of AI. And lastly, you will find out the future trajectory trajectory of AI in this field. So what are the exactly benefits of AI in assessment and evaluation? So efficient grading, as we see that we have a number of students in universities and other colleges or institutions. So to do the grading of all the students based on their performance, it becomes very difficult. So AI definitely will help here in this particular area. Like we can use this AI to get the grading of the students within a second or a fraction of a period of a time. And further, it handles initial grading rounds for essays and problem sets, flagging common errors. And this is definitely, if you see the traditional area, a traditional way of doing the assessment and evaluation, you will find it will take it will take much more time to do the evaluation of n number of students. But here, you will get the task done in a fraction of a time, and that too as far as that too of a individual student as well as a peer students. That is possible in this personalized assessment. As I said, that even you can find out the personal progress or the personal evaluation of the student based on the if you want to see the one person, one student's evaluation, which creates unique assessment pathways for each student based on their performance. Okay, now take an example. Suppose you have 10 students in your class and you are supposed to find out the analytical data by using the data of their performance and analyze that data. The AI definitely will help you to find out exact analysis of that single student along with the other student also, and that will help you to find out the better performance of the single student, and which helps to adjust even questions difficulty in real time. That is called adaptive testing. Further, it identifies the knowledge gaps and serves up customized content and practical questions to address them. So definitely, whatever gaps are there, this AI will help the teachers or the academicians to find out that gap based on the AI details. So improved accuracy that applies scoring rubrics with machine-like consistency to every single student admission. This is somewhere you can say the beauty of AI tools, where you can put the rubrics, provide the rubrics to the tool, and based on that you can get the data as per your requirement, and it helps to minimize the human errors like calculation mistakes or overload instructions. Further, it reduces the potential for unconcise bias based on factors like past performance or student identity. So this is really a helpful tool, AI. If you are using for assessment and evaluation, it will help to reduce the potential for unconscious bias based on factors like past performance and student identity. So past performance, what exactly is the past performance of the students that can be provided to the AI tool, and it will help you to find out the analytical data, and again, it will help you to find out the student identity properly. Enhanced feedback. Uh, Definitely, as on date, what we have, what generally we use to find out the feedback of the students, we used to have the some kind of rubrics. Based on that, we find out the feedback of the student, and it becomes tedious, and it becomes difficult to find out proper feedback of the students based on their performance. But here, definitely, the AI helps to provide the immediate feedback of the students based on the input data which has been provided to the AI tool, which offers detailed explanation for incorrect answers, turning assessment into a learning moment. It means what exactly is the what if suppose there is some incorrect explanation which you have provided, or the incorrect answer which you have given, that will identify, and it will help you to make some corrections. Further, it allows for iterative feedback loops where student can learn from mistakes and resubmit improved work. AI will help you to find out the loopholes where the student has made mistakes. So those mistakes can be rectified by the student, and the student can learn from those mistakes and resubmit their improved work in further assessment. So data-driven insights, which analyzes large databases, data sets of students' performance to identify class-wide trends. It helps to analyze the large data sets. So if you have thousands of students, then also this AI tool will help you to analyze the data and analyze the student performance, as well as you can find out the class-wide trends by using the AI tools, which pinpoints further the specific questions or concepts where a majority of students struggle. It will help you to find out where the students are actually lacking or where the students are struggling based on the input provided by the AI tools as far as assessment and evaluation is concerned. Further, it generates a predictive analytics to flag students at risk of failing, enabling early intervention. So we will see the few applications of AI which are generally used by the institutions and colleges for as far as higher education is concerned in assessment and evaluation. So what applications generally they use for assessment and evaluation of the students, that is automated essay scoring. It is generally called NLP to evaluate text. Generally, to evaluate text, it takes a lot of time. But if you use this automated essay scoring application, definitely it will help you to get the correct, you can say the inputs which are provided by the student in the essay. Further, it assesses traits like grammar, what kind of grammar that student has used, whether the grammar is used by the student is properly or not. Then what kind of syntax that student has written or used in the essays. Then how the text has been organized by the student in the essay writing, where and what kind of arguments that student has made in that essay, whether it is positive arguments or whether it is negative arguments, then what kind of strength that text has, and whether the student has used further evidences to make strengthen the text or not. Again, it provides or it helps to get the score and often feedback on writing elements. So what kind of writing should be there by the student, what exactly they are supposed to write at the time of writing essay on any kind of topic. So what he should include in that particular essay, that will be guided by the AI tools. So application number 2, multiple choice question generation. Nowadays, the government exams are using this particular kind of tool or application to check the answers or get the results of the students at a very fast rate. It is like AI algorithms per se textbooks, lecture notes, and articles. Further, it is automatically generated multiple choice questions and corresponding answer choice questions. Okay, now take an example. Nowadays, it has become very easy to get the multiple choice questions, how to frame the multiple choice questions. Even you can use the chat GPT and other tools to have the multiple choice questions. Uh, Again, if suppose the student has made a mistake in writing or the answers of the questions in the multiple choice questions, this AI tool will help you to find out the incorrect answers, and based on that, the student will be given grades. Then intelligent tutoring system, which act as a virtual tutors and which will be available 24/7 for the students. And this further engages in dialogues with students, answering questions and providing hints. So this particular intelligent tutoring system nowadays is becoming popular as far as the private institutions are concerned, because there is no need to have a teacher available 24/7 to get the questions answered as and when required. Further, adapt instructional strategies based on student responses and problem-solving approaches. AI facilitated peer review. I think everybody knows what exactly is the meaning of peer review. If suppose you have n number of students, you can do the peer review of these students. Based on that, you can find out which student is progressing in their the learning or not. Whereas AI systems, which manages the peer review processes, assigning reviewers, distributing work, and collecting feedback. Calibrate peer reviews by evaluating the quality of the feedback given by the students. Here, I would say that peer review is really important from the perspective of the learning for the student, and it will help to improve further. And based on the AI application evaluation, the feedback given by the student, definitely it will help further to improve the students' performance. Which provides further structure and rubrics to ensure feedback is constructive and focused. So whatever rubrics which has been set by the institution, based on that, this peer review assessment and evaluation can be done by using the AI applications. Proctoring and security. I think everybody knows what exactly is the proctoring. During the COVID period, most of the institutions, they were conducting examinations online of the student, and during the initial phases of this COVID period, the institutes were facing the problems like the students were cheating, or they were copying in exams, but further, this proctoring tool, which was there, and that has helped a lot to the colleges and institutions to somewhere stop the copying of the students, and it has helped a lot to minimize these things. So it needs a computer which has a machine learning to monitor students during online exams. And further, it flags behaviors such as looking away from the screens, unusual eye movements, or the presence of another person. So, if the student is somewhere writing an examination paper at that time, if suppose he is trying to look somewhere and trying to get some data from the other sources, that can be caught by this particular tool. Whether it can verify student identity via facial recognition and ID checks. So this tool is being used to find out whether the student is a genuine student or not by using the facial recognition and ID checks by this particular proctoring security. So what are the other tools which can be used to find out the learning analytics, the process of measuring, collecting, analyzing, and reporting data about learners? So this particular tool is used to have this kind of data from the records of the institutions, but which further tracks metrics like logging frequency, time spent on resources, and interaction in discussion norms. It correlates this engagement data with the performance data to build a holistic view of the student. Competency-based assessment. Definitely, each and every student, they may not have that way the equal competency, and the level of understanding and the level of learning which differs from one student to another student. So this particular application helps to find out competency-based assessment of the student, which focuses on assessing whether a student has mastered a specific skill or competency. Like if you want to know what exactly the student is really good in which area, that can be assessed by using competency-based assessment. A further AI tracks student progress through a map of micro competencies, then students advance upon demonstration of mastery, not after a set time period. Virtual exams. Nowadays, virtual exams are happening everywhere. So this particular application is useful to conduct the virtual exams. Like AI creates immersive simulation environments for assessment. Examples like virtual science labs, business simulations, clinical scenarios assessments for medical students. Generally, it is implemented in medical colleges or medical institutions. Further, it helps to evaluate the practical application of skills in a risk-free controlled settings. Student feedback analysis, as I said earlier in earlier slide also, student feedback nowadays is becoming very critical kind of point as far as academics are concerned. Based on the student feedback, you can further provide the inputs to improve upon. Whereas AI uses sentiment analysis and NLP to analyze qualitative student feedback from course evaluations. Further, it identifies common themes, concerns, and praises across thousands of responses. So, getting feedback of one student it is very simple or very easy, but to get the feedback of a n number of students, or we get take an example like 1,000 of students at a one time, it becomes tedious. So this kind of application help to get the student feedback and analyze the feedback on in a fraction of a second or in a minute of a time. So this particular application helps a lot. Further, it provides administrators with summarized actionable data to improve course quality. So what we generally do based on the feedback, if suppose the faculty member has taught us a particular subject in a class, and based on the feedback, if suppose something is required to improve further, so based on that data, we generally used to have guest lectures, seminars, and workshops to match the gap between the syllabus and all that. So likewise, this AI tool or AI application will also help to find out the areas where we need to improve and where you need to take action based on the data analytics. Curriculum development. So it is like a machine learning tool, and which can you please? Hello, Mane madam.
Participants are requested to please mute your mic. Participants are requested to please mute your mic. Shardul Jadhav, sir, please mute your mic.
Remove him.
Maitre
Okay.
sir, please mute to Shardul Jadhav, sir.
Maitre sir.
Thank you, sir.
Shinde
Okay.
sir, please.
Sir, now you
Okay.
can start.
Okay. Curriculum development. Nowadays, it is becoming a very challenging job to the universities to develop their curriculum or to develop their syllabus or the subject syllabus based on the industry requirement. Nowadays, if you are using the application AI tools or applications, definitely you can find some recent data which is required as per the industry needs. So this particular curriculum development application helps to develop the syllabus for a particular subject so that the industry need can be completed. So the AI analyzes the data on student performance, emerging industry skills, and academic research trends. So these three things can be considered at the time of developing the curriculum or the syllabus of subjects, which will help you to match the industry trends and industry needs. And further, it identifies the gap in current curriculum or suggests updates to keep content relevant. So, as you see that while deciding the curriculum development in a traditional method, we call peoples from the industry as well as the academics, and we discuss on that, and after that we decide what kind of content should be there in the particular subject or the syllabus. But what exactly is the need of the industry as per the current trends? We somewhere struggle to include it, but AI applications definitely helps us to improve in that particular area and develop the curriculum as per the industry requirement. Further, it recommends sequencing of courses and topics for optimal learning pathways. So, what are the examples of AI-powered assessment tools? Which tools are generally being used by the academics or the institutions for assessment purpose? So, these are the few tools: Turnitin, Gradescope, Critic, ProctorU, Dreambox, then Dreambox Learning, then Coursera, edX, AI-powered adaptive learning systems, NLP, and LMS. We will see one by one. I think those who are into research and those who are writing research papers, they must be knowing about this Turnitin. This particular tool is used to find out the plagiarism of the particular paper from where the data has been collected by the researcher and from where which references the data that has been copied. So it helps to find out that thing. And further, its Feedback Studio offers AI-assisted grading tools and rubrics. Revision Assistant provides automated formative feedback on student writing drafts. Again, this helps to further revise the research paper or the research writing which has been, you can say, included in the research paper. So based on the data which has been given by the plagiarism detection software, that can be further used to minimize the plagiarism and make corrections in the research paper. Gradescope, in assessment and evaluation, this particular kind of software is used everywhere, or you can say all over the world. This particular software is very popular in assessment and evaluation, which streamlines the grading of paper-based exams, homework, and programming assignments. So it will help to make it automatic for paper-based examinations or homework and programming assignments, where all groups, AI groups, similar answers together, allowing instructor to apply feedback to entire groups at once. It helps to it helps instructor to apply feedback to entire groups at once. So that can happen at a single time. So further, it provides detailed analytics on question difficulty and student performance. Next tool is being used by the institutions or the institute colleges for you can say the assessment and evaluation, that is Critic. It is again one of the popular tool which is being used mostly in the America and UK, which helps to manage and enhance the peer assessment process. Further, it calibrates the scores students give to their peer as against the instructor scores, ensuring fairness. So this is somewhere you can say the critical kind of thing when you are doing the peer review of the you are getting the peer review of the students. Then in that case, the scores which are given by the instructor and the scores which have been provided by the AI tool, whether it has some kind of discrepancy or that can be further helped to improve upon, or it can become a fair practices further. Further, it is helpful to evaluate the quality of the feedback that a student provide one another. ProctorU provides live online proctoring with a human proctoring monitoring several exams simultaneously. As I said in earlier slide also, proctoring we have used for online exams during COVID period. So this particular tool is used for proctoring examination and avoiding any kind of copying and cheating by the students in examination, to make them aware that this particular tool will help to find out if any kind of misuse is done by the students during the examinations. Dreambox Learning an adaptive math learning platform for college courses. This is generally used by the science colleges or
Excuse me,
where
sir.
the
Excuse me, sir. Sir,
yes,
the PPT is not display on the screen, sir.
it
Is you
is
are
not
using the
display.
PPT? No, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Madam, it's visible, madam.
It's visible.
Madam, it's visible. Yes.
Okay, is it visible? Can I go further?
No, sir, it's visible.
Okay. Dreambox Learning, an adaptive math learning platform for college courses, where you can see the subjects like mathematics and numerical subjects. There, this particular kind of Dreambox Learning tool can be used. AI engine adjusts the difficulty and type of math problems in real time. See, most of the time, what happens, the common students, they are not able to have a number crunching kind of ability to do mathematics, solve the mathematical problems. So this particular Dreambox learning tool will help them to find out the solution of those kind of mathematical problems. Further, it focuses on building conceptual understanding through interactive lessons. Coursera, it is one of the, I would say, best tool which is being used by the most of the academicians and I think everybody knows about this Coursera. This particular tool of AI for is used for the personalized courses recommendations based on the user's goals and activity. So this particular tool helps a particular person to find out what kind of course he is supposed to do based on his requirement. This particular tool helps him to find out the actual. You can see the course which he is supposed to complete and go further. Further, it helps to powers automated grading for programming assignments and peer graded assignments also. Again, it provides the instructor to dashboards. Uh, Madam, can you tell? Okay. Okay. Coursera provides instructors with dashboards on learners' engagement and performance also. Next tool is edX. It is also similar to the Coursera tool. Further, it uses AI for adaptive learning and automated feedback. Generally, this particular use is edX is used for the to getting the answers of the numerical kind of problems, and further it provides the feedback based on the inputs you have provided to the particular tool. Its open source platform further allows for experimentation with AI driven assessment tools, and which further offers proctored exam options integrated with its courses. So if you are using this edX tool for your kind of study thing in evaluation and assessment, it further provides the proctored exam options integrated with its courses. If the student is doing some kind of courses by using the edX. Adaptive learning system. The next tool is adaptive learning system. The core AI function is to create a personalized learning path for each student. So this particular adaptive learning system helps the institutions to have a personalized learning path for each student, and this particular learning system helps to create that personalized path for the students, and it helps to further assess the students' performance continuously to decide what content to present next. Natural language processing NLP tools, which includes tools like Grammarly, Writer.com, and Hemingway editors. Further, these tools are used to analyze the text for grammars, then clarity of text, then engagement of the student, and delivery of the what exactly the student wants to deliver in that particular area. That helps to find out this NLP. Further, it provides sentence level suggestions and overall writing score feedback. So whatever the student has written in a particular sheet that can be uploaded in this natural language processing tools, and it will help further to find out the what kind of mistakes that student has made, and the suggestions can be provided based on those students and the inputs given by. AI in learning management systems, LMS. I think everybody knows what exactly is LMS, and wherever you talk about LMS softwares, then definitely we talk more about the NAC and NBA. Whenever they visit your institutions, they talk about what kind of LMS you are using for your students. So. As on date, modern LMS systems we have like Canvas, Blackboard, D2L, and embedding AI features. These LMSs has embedding AI features, and that helps to create new things and to get the data analyzed as per your requirement. Features include like predictive analytics to identify at-risk students, automated nudges, and smart content recommendations. These LMS tools aims to make the LMS more proactive and intelligent. Okay, every coin has two sides. Like what benefits we have if you are using the tools or the applications of in assessment and evaluation. Again, it has the challenges and limitations too. So, what are those challenges if we can face if you will use these kind of tools and applications? So, these are the main challenges and limitations like bias and fairness, transparency and explainability, then data quality, then teacher training, and technical issues. There may be some kind of technical issues you may face at the time of using such a kind of platforms or tools or applications for your assessment and evaluation of the students. So bias and fairness. AI models can perpetuate and amplify biases present in their training data. So what data you have provided? So most of the time you cannot say that the result which is provided by the AI tools it is really a proper one, or it can be a mislead kind of result also. For example, an essay scorer trained primarily on writing from one cultural perspective may unfairly penalize other valid styles. So if suppose the student is writing some kind of essays based on his cultural perspectives, so this may differ from one place to another place. So at that time, this AI tool may not be able to get the proper result what the student has written in that particular essay. Further, it requires continuous auditing and use of diverse representative data sets. So to make the tool perfect or to make the application perfect, you need to have a watch on these particular things on a continuous basis. Where you find some mistakes, you are supposed to provide some inputs to that system so to get the perfect answers. So transparency and explainability, the next challenge. Many algorithms are black boxes, making it difficult to understand how they arrived at a specific scores or decisions. So you may struggle there to find out what exactly has happened and what information you have provided and what answer that application has provided to you based on your inputs. The students and instructors have a right to understand the basis and evaluation. Then the field of explainable AI is crucial for education to build trust. So whatever now you can see what example I would like to quote one example here that the chat GPT, if you are getting some information from the chat GPT, you have to put some rubrics or the parameters. Based on that, you will get the details from the chat GPT. But whatever the information is provided by the chat GPT. You can't say that it is really a correct one. So it may be a misleading information also. Data quality. Definitely, the data quality which is provided by the tools, we can't say it is like you can blindly say that the data is really correct one, or the quality of data, the data is of a quality one. The accuracy and reliability of an AI system are entirely dependent on the quality of the data which it retrieves. Whereas inaccurate, incomplete, or poorly labeled data will lead to flawed assessments and insights. So if you want to take some information by using the AI about your students, and if you are not able to provide the rubrics or the parameters properly, then the data which will be provided by the AI tools may be a misleading one. The principle of garbage in, garbage out is paramount. So in this case, definitely you will struggle a lot. So what are the technical issues the institutions or the colleges they may face if these tools or the you can see these platforms are used for the analysis or analytical purpose. The software bugs may make your life hell like. Then there may be a connectivity problems. Most of the time it may happen. Then our users interface issues can disturb the assessment process. Whereas a system which like a failure during a high stake exam can have serious consequences for students. If you are using such a kind of softwares for conducting examinations, and it requires the internet connection and high speed internet connection and continuous power. If something happens during that, then it becomes very difficult to conduct the examinations online by using such a kind of tools. Further, it requires robust technical support and contingency plans. Teacher training. Definitely, if you are using and have decided to implement some kind of tools to assess the student performance and evaluate the student performance, you need to go first for the teachers training. And yeah, you can see that teachers, they are not there to learn anything new. If the teachers are really good, then they will think to learn something new, and it will help them to improve further, or to get add some more knowledge to their databases, and this software can be helpful to analyze the student performance further. So teacher training is considered one of the crucial area as far as the challenge of implementing such kind of platforms is concerned. So effective use of AI tools requires more than just basic software training. So the if you are planning to implement such kind of tools in your institution, then you need to find out these teachers who has a caliber to understand, who has a intellectual kind of property to understand the things and implement it further. Then instructors need pedagogical training on how to interpret in AI generated data and integrate it into their teaching practices. See, most of the time, what happens, what kind of pedagogical method you are using to provide the inputs to the AI tools. And if it is not able to understand that pedagogical things, then definitely you will face some problems. Without proper pedagogical training, then these tools will be underutilized or misused. Now we'll see the future directions. Definitely in future, each and every institute will implement and adopt AI tools in you can say the evaluation and assessment of the institutes, the student performances. So increased adoption, AI-powered tools will move from pilot programs to standard institutional infrastructure, will become expected feature in learning management system and standard educational softwares. Adoption will be driven by demands for efficiency and personalized learning. Nowadays, what is happening? We are moving so fast, and we don't have a time to do the calculations manually. So we always think to have some kind of tools to which will help us to find out the solution very fast. So in that case, these AI tools are helping a lot, and you can crores of calculations you can do in a fraction of second. And because of that, definitely in a future, the AI tools will be adopted by each and every institutions. Then improved accuracy. Yeah, based on the experiences of the institutions or the colleges, the further these particular tools can be improved, and definitely it will help a lot to make a good kind of assessment and evaluation system in future. So for that, we need to have a better algorithms that will help to reduce the errors and improve the fairness of evaluations. Further, it will increase trust and acceptance among the educators and students. If the software which is being used, or which is if the tool or the application which is being used for the evaluation and the assessment of the performance of the student, if it gives the perfect analysis or analytics of the data, then definitely the trust will increase automatically. Personalization. AI will enable hyper-personalized learning pathways that adapt in real time. So as I said that it is not possible to find out the personal what we can call it, performance of the student from the thousands of the students. If the students are there, in n number of students are learning in your institution, then this particular AI tool will help you to personalize and get the information of a single student also. Further, it will consider not just academic performance, but also learning performance and even metacognitive factors. The concept of a standard curriculum will be increasingly dynamic. The integration with other technology, yes, it is possible, like virtual reality and augmented reality. Nowadays, it is being used everywhere, VR and AR, and this can be integrated in assessment and evaluation method also. Further, it will work in tandem with blockchain technology for secure, variable credentialing of micro credentials and competencies. So what exactly will be the use of these particular programs and tools as far as continuous evaluation is concerned? So if you are using traditional method and you are planning to go with the continuous evaluation, it becomes hectic and very tedious to get the evaluation of a single student and all the classes. So these particular kind of tools will help you to get the continuous evaluation of the students done every day or each and every moment. So movement away from high-stake summative exams towards continuous and formative assessment, it is possible as well if you are using this particular programs or the tools for the assessment purpose. AI definitely will help to constantly gather data on student performance through low-stake activities, which will further help to build a holistic view of learning over a time period. Final grades will be based on a portfolio of evidence rather than a single test. So lastly, the conclusion. So this will be the summary of the presentation. AI is definitely going to transform assessment by making it efficient, personalized, and data-driven. Applications range from automated grading to predictive analytics and curriculum design. Further, the challenges are there around bias, transparency, and training must be addressed proactively. The future points towards more integrated, sophisticated, and continuously evaluation. So these are some takeaways from this presentation. So My presentation is over. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you,
Hello.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Participant, if you have any query, any doubts, please you can ask the question from participants. Any participant, if you have any doubts, any query, any question, please ask.
Yeah,
Sir.
good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir.
Hello. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Am
I would
audible?
request you to please. Yeah, am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Praveen sir, you are audible.
Yeah. Govind, sir, good evening.
Good evening.
A
Good
very
evening.
good and informative session from evaluation perspective. I would like to just know you emphasized on continuous evaluation of students to understand holistic development.
Okay.
I would like to know if there is any tool which will be able to evaluate the students' understanding of every module of a subject independently evaluated. Like I had a concept of testing a student with a set of questions, and based on the response to the questions, I want to evaluate which concept the student has understood very clearly and which concept requires what we can say relearning. And this I want to do for the mass of the class, like for the whole class, which concept has been adopted or understood 100%, which 70%, or which 50%, or which 20%. So is there any tool that can help me to evaluate such things?
Very nice question, sir. Actually, as on date, if you see, there are n number of tools which are available, right? But whatever rubrics of the parameters which you have said, these parameters are not imbibed in those tools. So if you want to go ahead with these kind of parameters, then you have to give the inputs to the particular program or the software. Based on that, definitely you can have the answers.
It would give me total analysis of.
Customized tools can be done, sir. It is possible based on your inputs. What exactly is the requirement of the institute and inputs you are supposed to provide and get the answers? It is up to you, and you can have a talk with the software engineers who are making these tools, and you can customize. So at present, the question which you have asked and the number of things which you have included in that particular question, it is not available, sir.
Okay, so thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good evening, sir.
Good
Good
evening,
evening, Govind.
madam.
Sir, the
Ah,
previous quiz was given that is there is any not tool with how much students can understand the question, the answer. Okay. How we have to realize? Can we implemented the sentimental analysis for this type of the AI tools?
yes, madam, it is possible.
Huh. Means it is possible when we apply the sentimental analysis, then we can understand the situation of the mind of the students. That's we have to know the how much the students can grab and how much it can be the
Correct.
live, the content of the
Correct.
whatever the lesson we are teach.
Right, madam.
And another one question is mine is there is any tools for the checking the plagiarisms, so it is too easy and it is a free, because what happened when we check the plagiarism, the first two pages they are given a free, but afterward they have to say that is you have to pay. So is the AI tools for the checking the free plagiarism?
There is one quill bolt.
Billboard is there is a paraphrase is also is there, grammar is also is there. I
Yes, yes. Quill
use
bolt.
that.
It is considered like somewhere similar to the Turnitin.
Turnitin,
Right.
okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir. Another one is there is available, sir. That's why I'm asking you, sir. Means
Yes, yes. We are using quill bolt, and they are not charging anything for that.
another one is behalf of the
There
means
are
fuel board.
there. No. Apart from that, I don't have any idea because we use field board because there are some adjustments you are supposed to do that, and after that you will get the results without charging anything.
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, so it's too informative, means you have to given the information regarding the AI tools. The EDX is also is there, sir. So what happened when the students are using the EDX, because they are given the framework of the software development.
Okay.
So it is very easy to implement if the any web programming web pages they can develop. So EDX is very useful, sir. Sir, but how we in EDX we have to connect the database?
See, madam, I'm not from engineering background, so
Okay, sir.
technical concepts.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. It is very informative. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. It is too informative information. Okay, sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you so
madam.
much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Any other
Gaikwad madam.
participant?
Gaikwad
Yes, sir.
madam.
Yes, sir.
Please send email to us. I will ask this detailed information to Shinde sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sawan, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Any participant? If you have question, please ask. Sir, in my chat board, another question is there. How can AI be applied in assessment in evaluation process in library?
Library.
Yes.
Oh, a very critical kind of question. It is. I don't have that much idea about this question. Okay, but let him to send me, write me a question. I will try to give the answer of this question. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir, definitely. Any other participant? If you have a question, please ask. Sir, I have one question in my mind.
I'm very
Sir.
curious about to get some more knowledge all the time. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, madam asked the question regarding plagiarism software. So nowadays there are too many application software, just AI to check the plagiarism. But suppose if I as a PhD scholar, so before publishing my thesis, my all data is a confidential data. So if I, as a student, if I check my data by using any AI tool, so my data is misused by other fellow, and it may be illegal.
Yeah, if you are using Turnitin or the Quillbolt, definitely it is completely secured kind of softwares. You can have some confidence by providing the data to these two tools, and those the whatever data you have uploaded, it will not be disclosed anywhere, and it will not be made available to any person. So this is very these are the very secure kind of softwares, madam. You can have some faith on that.
Okay. So it's not a trusted, sir. Just as a
It
student,
is, huh,
just
it
as a
is trusted.
yeah.
Hmm,
But for as a PhD candidate, it is not good
hmm,
to use such a type of AI, free AI tools.
hmm. No, no, don't go for the pre-AI tools because they will capture your data and they will make it universal.
Yes, 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 yes. That is my question, sir. Okay, sir.
Shinde
Sir,
sir.
Sir.
One question, simple question. What are the ethical issues in assessment and evaluation process?
Ethical issues, I'd say, sir, okay, traditional, if you are using traditional method, then definitely you can say you are following the ethical things, right? But if you are using AI tools, somewhere it will mislead you and it will become unethical also, right? If suppose the n number of students have written examination and you have uploaded those papers on the softwares or the platform which is being used to assess these papers, maybe you may find some kind of differentiation in marking and all that. So it becomes unethical on the part of the students. That happens, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Shabnam madam, and thank you very much, Sawan sir, for providing such a wonderful opportunity to interact with the more than 158 students. I can see the figure like 158 students are there online.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank
Yes,
you very
sir.
much. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, sir.
Sir, shall I proceed with the vote of thanks? Savan sir?
Yes, madam. Yes, please, please.
Okay. So good evening to everyone present here. Now it's a time to conclude today's session. On the behalf of Bharati Vidyapeeth, deemed Ritupa University, Abhijit Kadam Institute of Management and Social Sciences, Solapur, I feel immensely privileged to deliver the vote of thanks for today's session on AI in assessment and evaluation under the ATL FDP workshop. First and foremost, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to our today's distinguished resource person, Dr. Govind Shinde sir, to be with us and share his deep knowledge, experience, and insight. Sir, your experience and your session was truly enriching and thought-provoking, and it has provided our participant with the valuable takeaways. I would also like to express my sincere thanks to our respected director, sir, Dr. S.P. Savan sir, for his constant encouragement and guidance in making this FDP a success. A special word of appreciation goes to our convener, Dr. Rahul Manjari sir, for his endless effort in coordinating and organizing this workshop so effectively. My heartfelt thanks also goes to our all faculty members, organizing team, and supporting staff who work behind the scenes to make today's session smooth and successful. Last but not least, I thank all the participants for your active involvement and cooperation throughout the session. Your presence and interaction made this program truly meaningful. With this, we come to the conclusion of today's session. Once again, thank you all. We look forward to meeting you tomorrow for the continuation of this wonderful learning journey. Now, I kindly request all participants to please switch on your camera so that we can take a group snapshot.
Shabnam madam,
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
request all participants to switch on their camera.
All the
Yes,
participants are hereby requested to switch on their camera so that we can get a group photo. All the participants are hereby requested to switch on your cameras, please.
Yes, sir. Manjari sir, have you done? Manjari sir, have you done all screenshots?
Yes, ma'am. It's done.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you,
Okay.
everyone.
All participants are kindly requested to fill the today's FDP session feedback form. Your feedback is valuable for us to improve and enhance the upcoming session. The link is available with your WhatsApp group. With this, I hereby declare that today's session is over, and thank you. Thank you, Shinde sir. Thank you,
Shinde sir,
Savan
thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
you
you,
very
sir.
much.
Organizer.
Thank you very much.
It was a different kind of experience for
For
me.
the great
Thank you
session,
very
sir.
much.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, bye. Good night. Good
Bye.
night.
Bye.
Okay, good night, sir.